Hi Lid, what's up? I'm just planning our next trip. Remember when we visited Kent? Yes, we visited the phenomena and noumena there.
Immanuel Kant, who was born in 1724, was a German philosopher who changed how we understand reality and morals. He is famous for the idea that our minds shape our experiences.
That's right, Lid. We found out that the phenomena are things in the world that appear to us. We sense them with our eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and skin. Our mind molds all that sense data into organized objects existing in space and time. What's the noumena then? It's the world that is unsensed and unorganized by us. It's how it is before our senses and our minds packages it into the phenomena. If we don't sense it and our minds don't organize it, how can we know it's there? Hegel didn't think it was.
Hegel was a German philosopher born in 1770 in Stuttgart, Germany. He became one of the most important philosophers of the 19th century and taught at the University of Berlin until his death in 1831.
Hegel didn't like Kant's distinction between the phenomena and noumena. Kant wasn't the only unliked person on our travels. Plato didn't think much of us when we visited there.
Our philosophy geek Plato was born around 427 BC in Greece. He was a student of Socrates and loved pondering life's questions like what is real.
Plato said we were twice removed from reality. I don't understand that. The person who drew us used their real motorbike and helmet as models. So we are copies of the real motorbike and helmet. That's right. But the real motorbike and helmet are only copies of ideal forms of a motorbike and helmet. So if the really real motorbike and helmet are ideal forms, then the motorbike and helmet models are copies of them. And we are copies of that. So we are twice removed from the ideal formed of a motorbike and helmet. Cheer up, Lid. At least Aristotle liked us when we visited them.
Just like Plato, Aristotle was a Greek philosopher. He lived from 384 to 322 BC and contributed to science, philosophy, ethics, and politics. He was Plato's student and a teacher of Alexander the Great.
Aristotle said we had a goal, a purpose. That's what he meant by teleology. Tele comes from the Greek word for goal, purpose, or end. And ology just means the study of something. So teleology means the study of goals or purposes. What's our goal? To travel. So where are we going today? We haven't been to Saussure yet.
Ferdinand de Saussure, born in 1857, was a Swiss linguist whose ideas throughout the 20th century helped shape how we study languages today. His teachings and writings greatly impacted language studies in other areas of literature, anthropology, and psychology.
Are there many attractions there? Yeah, look at all this stuff. Look at all those places. Semiotic, signifier and signified, diachronic and synchronic, linguistic. So what are we waiting for? Let's take off! La, 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 la.